Hi, and welcome to TaxDome. In this video, we will be going over how to utilize the message tasks for proper communication between you and your tax specialist. When you have tasks assigned to you by your tax specialist, you will always want to check the tasks off as you complete them. It helps keep the lines of communication open between both parties on the tasks and uploading processes. Let's start off in TaxDome's home screen. Normally, you can see your new chats or messages within the home screen under To Do, but you can also access the chat via the Messages and Tasks tab on the left-hand column. Let's go there. Now just click on the message itself. As you can see, the tasks are listed here on the right-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and upload the necessary documents. I have already uploaded my documents to my 2022 folder, so I'm going to go ahead and select them here. And then save. Now that my documents are uploaded to the message, I will check them off in the tasks list. It seems that one of my documents need to be renamed as it is missing a 0 in front of the 1. If you hover your cursor over the files, you should be able to see its name. If you do not see the name, you can just click on the file and it will open another window. Continue until you have the misspelled document open. This is just an example, so the document is blank. Let's click on the 3 vertical dots on the upper right-hand corner. Select Edit and then correct the name of the document. Going to add a 0 right here, then select Save. Thank you for tuning into this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more TaxDome tutorial videos.